We'll move to the dining area. Welcome.
I want you to introduce you our chef.
Dil Bahadur Chhetri, and I'm chef in Tunisian residence. So today I'm going to prepare some Tunisian dishes, which is very famous and is delicious. Today I'm going to cooking the Tunisian couscous. How to present couscous with the fish. So there are some ingredients for the couscous. We use the couscous fin. In Tunisia they have the three type of couscous, like moyan and the brown couscous and the fin. So we are going to use the fin couscous today. And we are going to use the sea bream fish. So it's in Japan it's very popular and it's good taste. In Tunisia also they have similar. Then I have some ingredients for the sauce. Now I'm going to make the couscous sauce, and first we need to set up the couscousier. They call couscousier in Tunisia. We need the one deep pot, and we need the one strainer like this. You need to be deep, and we have the hole here to go the steam in the couscousier. First, what we do, we will put some olive oil here to make the sauce, and I will put the fire here. I will put my onion here. While the onion is saute, I am going to put the green chili here, the sweet paprika and this one. Because first we need to put the salt here. For take some flavor, just take the knife or a spoon, just put the salt inside to take some flavor. If you not put the salt inside, it will be not flavor inside. It take little bit time, so you need to fry the onion and the chili a little bit to mix up. 2 to 3 minutes. Almost our onion is start brown, change the color. Okay, now I'm going to put my tomatoes. Then I'm going to put my tomato paste. So now I put my garlic here, and I put my paprika and the cumin, small salt. And we can put some black pepper. Okay, it start to little bit sticky down, so I am going to put little bit water here. Now I am going to take out the chilies, which is almost cooked. It need to be soft. And when you take out the pepper, you take out some sauce also. This sauce after I will use in the couscous in its servicing time. Okay, now I will going to add the more water here for the sauce, final sauce. Now I am going to spice the fish. First I need the black pepper and some salt, and just mix. We're going to mix the couscous to steam there. First you will put a little bit olive oil, 2 tablespoons something. Then you need to use your hand. Okay. Then we will add some water here. If you not put the olive oil, it will be joint. It will not separate. The beginning we need to put olive oil, so when you steam, after it will not joint. It will be separate. Its grain is separate. So time you would put water more. This is the very important. If there is the bowl, it will not open after. When you mix the sauce, it will not separate. When you see how you finalize your water is enough or not couscous, when you make like this, it should be like this, the ball. When you separate, it will separate. When you steam, there is no problem now. If once it's open, it's okay. Yeah, I could put the more water here. I'll put like this. So I will drop the fish is here. Head I will put after when I take out this fish. I will drop the head. If I put now, it will be difficult to take out after the fish. So it's ready to going to steam. So we put the important is you put slowly in the couscous here. So this is the couscous. Now I am going to steam directly in the sauce. Let him to steam 45 minutes. Vegetable I am going to separate boiling. Just I put some water and I am going to boil here. This is the fish is ready now. I am going to take out. It's already cooked. You can see we need to take out the nicely to decoration your couscous. Now I am going to drop the head of the fish. It is just for flavor in the sauce to make the rich my couscous. One fish also boil and we'll cover continue to steam the couscous. Just will can mix it couscous. Couscous also almost done. It's you can see the texture. The vegetable just I boiled here with the salted water. Now I am going to throw this water, just will remove, and I will put in the vegetable to give some flavor here. Just pretty small flavor, it's okay. Steaming the couscous with the head. If you feel there is not enough water, you can add some water there. Doesn't matter now how much water you put it. You need to mix. When you mix the couscous, that time you need to make sure your sauce not too much, because if it's too much sauce, it is not strong flavor. So that is very important to reduce your sauce how much you need it. So our couscous is almost ready. So I will going to transfer my couscous here. It's already steamed well, and there is no more, all separate. You can see. Just mix here. Then now we're going to pour the sauce. I need to filter the sauce because there is we put the head of the fish, so maybe some bone is there. Just put the sauce, and now you need to wait minimum 10 minutes to observe the sauce. So in Japan, what I noticed that everybody like little bit sauce, more sauce. That's why when I prepare the Tunisian couscous, I give little bit extra sauce. This is just put some couscous. Fish. Then we need to put one here. Now this is the sauce for the couscous, and this is the couscous in Tipsy, especially the Safaxen way this one. Now this is the ready Tunisian couscous with fish, and this is Safaxen way. So now we serve with the sauce. If you need to, when you are eating the couscous, if you need the sauce, you can put it in your couscous more. If you don't need, it's okay. You can keep it like this.
Thank you. I suggest this white Tunisian wine, Muscat dry of Kelipia, a dry white wine made 100% of Muscat. I suggest this wine because I think it goes very well. Couscous with fish, with many Japanese dishes. So I invite you to test and enjoy this very delicious Tunisian wine.
We serve it in Tipsy, Tunisian pottery from Nabil city. This city is very famous by pottery. That's why it has a sister agreement with a city in Japan called Seto in Aichi Prefecture. So let's try couscous.
In Tunisia, we say Shehya Taiba, which means good health or santé, itadakimasu. So Shehya Taiba, please enjoy.
Shehya Taiba. Fish I love the taste really. We enjoy couscous Sundays, and wedding days we always make couscous. It's a must, especially with lamb.
Yes, couscous with lamb is the most popular in Tunisia. But couscous with fish is very famous in the coastal region. You know that Tunisia is very open to the Mediterranean with more than 1,300 kilometers coast on the Mediterranean. It's a social dish because today, as you can see, we are eating every person in its plate. But in the tradition, we prepare in a big dish, and all the family members, they gather around the dish and they eat together. So it's a kind of social gathering. It's more than a dish.
And couscous, you can make it as the chef today, steamed by the couscousière, the special steamer. You can find this steamer even in Japan. You can try it traditional way. So please don't hesitate to make couscous. Try it and let me know your opinion.